Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I wasn't sure if I was going to film today, but I've decided I might as well because just might as well. But yeah, this is week 2 of exams. I wasn't going to film it as I thought it might be quite repetitive and boring, but I think it would be nice because it showed that, yeah, I don't know really, but it'd be nice for me to watch back and in a few years and see like what I was doing for my exams and stuff. So yeah, today I have no exams, so I'm not going to school. I'm doing study leave at home. It's about 11:30 now and I've been studying for quite a while now, and yeah, I've got an English literature exam tomorrow, which is going to be on Macbeth and A Christmas Carol, which I'm quite excited for. I don't know. Yeah, and then, so that's in the morning tomorrow. And then in the afternoon tomorrow, I have geography, paper 1, which I am dreading because I'm really bad at geography. When I picked geography, I was expecting it to be more about countries and stuff, which I really enjoy, but it's not really about that. It's more the riverside, the rocks and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm really bad at geography, as you can probably tell by my explanation. But yeah, I'm going to show you what I've been doing. So I'm doing Macbeth at the moment, and I found a question online and I made a little plan. It's quite messy, but yeah, that's my plan. And then I like put some of the quotes and stuff from the play, and then I started doing the question. So yeah, this is what I've got so far. I've got my intro and I've started talking about the extract that they gave us. Now I'm going to go on to talk about the whole play in general, and then I'm going to do a conclusion. So I'm going to go.
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
So I have finished my Macbeth essay. I done that page and about half a page on this one. Yeah, so I think it took quite long. It took about an hour and a half, but I'm actually quite happy with how it turned out, and yeah, I'm really happy with it. I'm taking a break now. I'm gonna have my lunch. I'm gonna make some lunch, and I'm gonna watch something on the telly in the living room because why not? So yeah, and then after I'm gonna do some work for A Christmas Carol, and hopefully I can go back and do more on Macbeth and then more on A Christmas Carol after. So like give myself a break in between, and yeah, just to make sure that I can remember stuff. And yeah, I don't really know, but that's what I'm doing. And as well, I do need to revise geography. I don't know if, yeah, I did mention that, but I don't think I'm going to do much geography today as the exam's in the afternoon, so I'll probably have a few hours to do that tomorrow at school. So yeah, because my exam's in the morning, so then once that one's finished, I'll probably do some revision. So I'm gonna go make my lunch and I'll see you guys then. So I'm now doing A Christmas Carol. I've got the question and this is my plan so far. So that's about the extract, that's about the whole play in general. Here I'm gonna write about the past, the present and the future, and then I'm gonna go on to write it. But that's what I got so far. Oh my goodness, I'm on the Elizabeth line and it looks so cool. This is my first time on it, and when has it been here since?
Monday.
It's been here since Monday.
20th.
Oh, yesterday.
Yes.
It's been here since yesterday and it looks so cool. I'm going to show you guys. So this is the Elizabeth line and it looks so cool. Woo. I can actually reach these as well without any try. Oh, and it says the time. That's so
It also
cool.
says where you're going to. When it starts, it'll say it.
Oh, that's so cool.
And like
How
how
do you
many
like
stops
it,
there are.
Gary? Do you like it?
Honestly, I did like it, but now I realise it's really open.
I like how it's open. There's more space. So like, I can see the whole way down. It's kind of cool. Sorry, I haven't filmed that much for this vlog, but basically there's not much to film. That's why I wasn't sure if I was going to do a weekly like vlog again, because it might be a bit boring. But I just, you know, I'm just gonna do it anyway. But basically, so obviously I did do the exams today. I done English literature, which it was alright. The question could have been a lot better. My cat is scratching. Stop it. Yeah, the paper could have been a lot better, the questions and stuff, for both Macbeth and A Christmas Carol. But I worked with what I had, and I think it went pretty well, although I didn't finish Christmas Carol, which I'm quite annoyed about. But I actually think it went pretty alright. But obviously I've still got another one to do for that. And geography, that was so bad. Like, I knew it was going to be bad, but it was really bad. I revised that basically at school because I had until lunch to do that. But yeah, that went really bad. So yeah, so tomorrow I've got business in the morning, so I've been revising that, and I've been making flashcards, and yeah, I think it's really helpful. And also my mum's going to test me, and that's all my revision for today. It's like, I don't even know what time it's like, gone 8. I've been revising since I've got home, so I am done for today. And I've got physics tomorrow in the afternoon, but I'm going to mainly focus on that once I've came out of my business exam, because if I revise it before business, then I'm going to have that on my mind while I'm in the business exam. I'm going to do it after. But yeah, I'm going to chill now because it's some me time now. But yeah, I have finished my business exam and it went really, really well. I was really happy with it. And now I'm with Kira, Taya and Sonia. Yeah, we're doing revision. I'll show you where we're sitting and what we're doing. So basically we've got these chair things, and they're like, I don't even know what they are. And I'm doing physics, and they're like finding online stuff. It is actually the next day now. It is Thursday, and I've done the exam, obviously. Yeah, so I've done my physics exam, paper 1, and it didn't go that well, but I was kind of expecting it not to go that well. But I don't think that's why it didn't go well. Like, honestly, I'm just not very good at science. I didn't think the other ones were going to go that well either, but to be honest, they went better than that one. The biology and the chemistry was easier, I think, in my opinion. I heard a lot of people saying that they think the physics was easier, but I think there was more multi-choice questions in the others, so I think that's why they were easier. And as well, I'm actually home from school now. It's like 12:30ish, but basically I had a maths exam in the morning, which I had a nightmare with, not because of the exam, but basically on the way to school I had to be in by about 8:40, something like that, but like the exam starts at 9, and I got to Bermondsey station and someone had fainted on the tube, so that delayed the journey and it went from there, and I was late. So I was actually late for the exam and I was so scared. Like, when I got to the station near my school, I was like panicking and I literally ran to school. So I did get my extra, I was like only 5 minutes late, which isn't that much, but still, if they weren't to let me do the exam, that would be really bad. But I got the extra 5 minutes at the end, so yeah, that was all alright. And that exam, I think it actually went really well. I was quite happy with how I done. Obviously there's still 2 more papers to do and stuff, but I didn't actually finish the paper. I had, I think, like 2 pages at the end maybe, but I was confident with the questions that I did do, so that should boost it up a bit. Yeah, so the reason I'm at home is because I got study leave, so I just had some lunch, and now I'm going to do some poetry because I have that tomorrow. I have English Lit paper 2, and yes, I'm going to do some poetry. So I'm just revising. I was just taking some notes down for Ozymandias, and now I've just found these. I forgot that I had these, and basically like they just explain like the content, glossary, and just the kind of poetic techniques sort of things, and it just explains them. So yeah, I forgot I have them, and there's quite a lot there, so that's quite helpful. And then after, I actually need to do an inspectacles, and I have some stuff in here for that. So I've got a snap revision of an inspectacles, so that's just like a revision guide sort of thing, and I have the book, so if I need to find any extra quotes and stuff. But yeah, at the moment I'm doing poetry, so I'm just like summing up my notes. So Denny's back from football and he went and got himself
new boots. They've been worn now.
Yeah, he just wore them, but he just went and bought them. You happy?
Yeah. The padding inside of these are mad.
They good?
Yeah, comfortable.
That's good.
Recommended.
I know. Yeah, the only one
assembly.
Are you happy? Are you
I gotta
happy?
get
You're
biscuits
out of
now.
here. So we're at the station now, and all of our trains are cancelled until 1:03, and it's only 12:45 now. How annoying is that, Millie?
Very.
It's like so annoying.
Parcel has arrived. Well, 2 parcels. Got the other one opened. What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? It's on charge. It's on charge.
Oh! I was thinking there's nothing inside.
So Denny and Frankie got new phones.
Ta-da! 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 Woo!
Nearly dropped it.
New phone. Their phone's broke. Sadly.
You have reached the end of the video. That was my week 2 of GCSEs and also my leavers assembly. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want any more like this, then let me know down in the comments. I will be actually filming my last day of school, even though that was my leavers. I don't finish until the 15th of June, but I will be filming that so that you guys can see how it goes, and I'll probably talk a bit about how I felt GCSEs went, and I might film my day when I find out my results. I'm not really sure. And as well, I am actually filming prom and the whole process, so like from when I got my dress, I've actually got it already, and to like the day of actually prom. So that's the end. Don't really have anything else to say. So if you liked it, hit that like button, comment down below, and if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to my channel. See you guys later. Bye!